Hey guys, good morning. This is Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? The sights and sounds of Guatemala. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. I don't know the date. I'm waiting for a friend of mine to come and pick me up. Had a great night's sleep. I'm right by the airport, so the traffic starts at like 5 o'clock. And normally I don't like a lot of traffic. I like peace and quiet. But when you're in Guatemala, I love it. Anyhow, it's going to be a good 10 days. And this little guy right here, I'm going to be telling everybody about the XDC Network. Yes, I said it. I brought some XDC merchandise with me. And I'm going to be handing that out. I'm going to be spreading some cryptocurrency news in the center of Guatemala City. And that's it. I hope everybody likes it. I think that they will. And again, the XDC Network, in the description box below, you could find out all the information that you need. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. The sights and sounds of Guatemala. It's beautiful. Love y'all. Bye-bye.